Hey guys, I have a 2025 Ford Escape, and if you're looking to change the oil life back to 100%, that's all you have to do is go into your menu button here. It's going to come up on the screen. You're going to see vehicle maintenance. You're going to go into there. You're going to hit the OK button to go into vehicle maintenance. And then you can see the oil life. You're going to click OK. It says hold OK to reset. Holding OK to reset it. Boom. 100%. And to get out of this screen, that's all you do is you push your back button and you go back to your regular. One more time, and it brings you back to your regular display. I think Ford makes it the easiest out of all manufacturers to reset this stupid light. Some of them are buried so deep you don't even know what language they're using for your oil life, for crying out loud. Anyway, if you learned anything today, guys, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you know anybody who can use this information, please share. This is the only way the channel will grow. Thanks, guys. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for hanging with me today, guys. If you learned anything from this video, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, share. That stuff really helps out the channel.